Good morning. It's that time of the year. Here we are. CPAs are done. They did all their compliance. Tax season is officially over. It's May. And it's time for us to go back and reintroduce ourselves to the people we want to work with, right? But who do we really want to work with? CPAs or their clients? See, here's the deal. It's this time of year. This is when everybody comes back into focus. This is when the CPAs are done with the compliance. They actually have an open window of time, and everybody that wants to work with CPAs clients makes a beeline for the nearest breathing, walking CPA. See, but before you go, I think you need to know your audience. You want to work with them, that's great, and I'm okay with that. It's a center of influence. They're CPAs. Okay, but know your audience. What are you going to say to them this time of the year? What's the conversation you're going to have? How is tax season? Challenging, I bet. I bet you can breathe now. I bet you're happy it's over. But really, what does your audience need to hear from you? Well, you have no idea if you don't even know who your audience is. So first, let me ask you a question. Who's your audience? Is your target audience the CPA? It should be, but where are you ultimately going? What you want to work with is the CPA's best clients. That is perfect world. So you want to work with the CPA's best clients. Well, did the CPA even work with his best clients during tax season? Do you know that? So look, let's talk a little bit about what I know about CPA firms. First of all, this time of the year, they are done. They're done and they're happy and they're breathing again. Because it was always stressful. Even the best firms that do very little compliance are busy February, March, and April. And there's another deadline just around the corner. So you have a very small window to get their attention. But see, what happens is they probably did not see a lot of their best clients during this tax season. Most of their bigger and best clients probably filed extension. I recently was with one of our clients talking to him. He says, yeah, my best clients are gone. They're not even around during tax season. They're off in this part of the world or that part of the world, and they know that we got to get to them later. They're on extension. So who do they really talk to during tax season? Was maybe their B's and C's, their compliance-based bunch of work that they have to do. That little nucleus of people. Now, if you go in talking to them about what they just did in tax season, that's who you're going to be talking about. Their B's and C's. No, if you want to be working with their A-plus clients, then you have to know who that is. You have to understand they didn't just get done with those A-plus clients. They haven't been looking at their A-plus clients. The last time they may have talked to their A-plus clients face-to-face may very well have been December last year. And if that's the case, then what are you going to say to them right now that makes you attractive to them before they have their next conversation with their best client? What are you going to say? What do you want to say? Hi, work with me because you need to help your best client and I can do that because I've got the best or the biggest or the fastest or the newest solution? See, I don't think so. I think the conversation you have to have now is say, look, I understand that now it's time to address those extensions. You know, October's not far away, September's not far away, and there's not a lot you can do about last year before the extension deadline. But they are going to have a conversation with those clients between now and then. You can guarantee that. And if you can help them prepare for that conversation, if you can talk to them and teach them a way to have a conversation that's meaningful so that when they have that conversation with their best client, they're not just addressing what happened last year, but they have a plan going forward. And if that plan includes you, that's a home run. So see, this isn't the time of the year to talk about what just happened during tax season. This is the time of the year to say, look, I understand your best work is yet to come. Your best conversations, your most important conversations are yet to come. Your best clients and you are going to sit down and have good, hard, tough questions and conversations between now and October or September. So how can I help you, Mr. CPA, prepare for those conversations to not just talk about what happened, but to talk about what you will do, how you will do it better, and how to strengthen your relationship with your best going forward. See, I can be that guy to you. I can help you have that conversation because I understand that's important. This is what makes your firm tick. Yeah, the compliance that you just did over tax season keeps the lights on, pays the rent. But the reason you got in this business and what helps you propel your business going forward is the conversations and the work you're going to do between now and the September, October deadlines. Your best are having an opportunity to have their best conversation with you now. And I like to help you have better conversations. I like to help you build better relationships. This can be done. This is the time of year for that conversation. Have a great day.